it's Leah's Perfect Pets here, and today I just want to show you how I trim my guinea pigs. Because since I have long-haired guinea pigs, it's just, I have to trim at least, their butt, at least once a month because it does get wet and tangled and whatnot. So I'm going to place a large puppy pad, and I have scissors so I can cut. So that's basically all you need because they'll probably pee. So yeah, so I'm just gonna show you each guinea pig of how I cut and whatnot. Here we go. So I have Miss Plump here, and Miss Plump is gonna show you how it's done. Yeah. So I'm just gonna cut. She hates me, by the way, cutting her. So I might have to give her some veggies. I have no idea. Stop it. I might have to give her some veggies because she is very, very stubborn. She's a stubborn pig.
Excuse me! Excuse me!
So I'm just cutting all of this hair off. It's gonna be uneven, but whatever. As long as I cut the most parts out. There we go. So I'm just cutting the sides off. Here you go. Oh, look at her. Oh, that's hilarious. Look at her. Already. Sorry, Pumpkin. Okay. That's good. I'm not done with that side. But whatever. I know, Pumpkin. I know you hate this, but it gotta be done. Okay. Okay, yeah, see, now she's like moving. So I'm gonna hold her down because she's gonna, let me see. Okay, see, like, it's so wet down here. So that's what I do. Stop it. Okay, sorry, all. I know, Pumpkin. I know. Oh, come on, Pumpkin. I know. Okay. So now I'm just gonna cut around her stomach because there's hair on here. So I try to be careful and cut all her stomach. She hates this so much. She's good though. I think that's enough. I think that should be fine. Alright, Pumpkin. I think we're done. I mean, even though it looks uneven, but I mean, whatever.
Whatever!
Now, I'm just going to continue to cut, like trim a little bit, to not, because I do it so I won't have to keep on, doing it so much to where it's like, ugh, so, but yes, Pumpkin is all done. I don't need to trim her nails because I'm doing that in another video, but, you see yourself, Mom? You see yourself? You see how gorgeous you look? Okay. So, I'm going to bring out another guinea pig. I'm going to put her back. I'm going to get Lollipop, a blonde one. So, this is Blondie. So, I'm going to show you how I cut her hair. But I'm going to dump this hair out first because this hair is disgusting. It's all filled with all types of dander. So I'm going to throw this away and then show you how I do lollipops hair. I tried to get as much as hair off as I could, but yes. So see how like long it is? I'm just gonna snip. So snip. I like to do the sides first before I really do the back. Sorry, I like knocked the camera over a little bit. But yeah, her hair is like really long. I think hers is the longest out of all of them. But that's okay, this will change today. Because her hair will be short, girl. So she doesn't really care as like Pumpkin did. So I just put Pumpkin downstairs because I was done with her. She doesn't need a nail trimming or anything. But these guys do. I'm just going to do everyone's trimming for this video, and then the next video I'll show you how I will cut or trim their nails. But this is a lot of hair, Lolly. You have a lot of hair, baby. Because the reason why Pumpkin doesn't need her nails clipped is because she went to the vet for her eye, and I'll do a video about that as well. Basically she just had a hay poke, so nothing too concerning. It was concerning, but it was nothing too major or anything. But they clipped her nails at the vet, so I didn't have to do it. But yes, I just want it to, because I don't want it to be where like they pee and then their hair is all over the place. Pigs. They're like, I've never seen these types of guinea pigs before. Yeah, I think these are like a Shiba and a Peruvian, if I'm saying that right. Mix. I don't know if this is just a Shiba, but I don't think it's just a Shiba because they don't really look like that. I mean, they do, but not really. So, but yes, guys, I'm sorry. Like, their hair is gonna be really uneven. I like how she doesn't care though. She's just sitting here like a robot. Oh my gosh. I do like to cut their stomachs because it gets hairy. So, yes. Alright. I need you to do the back. So, I'm just cutting the back up here. Sorry, I don't know if you can see that. So, yes. It's still cutting, basically. I'll show you, like, when I'm done. So, I'm gonna cut her stomach. And I'm gonna finish cutting this out. It's like little hair sticking out there. I think that's enough. Maybe these. Okay. I'm just gonna trim those little sides, and then I'm gonna move on to the next guinea pig. So the next guinea pig we're gonna do is Miss Toffee. Excuse me. Yes, so I removed all of Lollipop's hair and put that into the trash. So really, Toffee doesn't really need a haircut, really, because it's mainly short. I'm sorry, Miss Toffee. You're not letting me do it. Yeah, it's mainly short. So, okay, I'm gonna twist you. Yes, yes, yes. This side is longer. So, I know, Miss Toffee. I know. So yeah, I didn't really have to do much to her, I guess. Concerning the sides, I mean. Alright. I guess it's fine. I know. So I'm just gonna cut the back and then show you what I will do to the front. Okay, we're done with Miss Toffee, so she can go back. So we're gonna do Lila. And yes, so I kind of already started with her already. And yeah, so that's just basically it, pretty much. It's just me giving them like very horrible haircuts. So that's probably what the title of this video is gonna be. They don't deserve this. But yeah, it's not like I'm doing it on purpose process. But you know. So now we're just gonna keep swiffing this. Yes, this is just a lot of hair. So yeah, I think I'm done with that side. I like how it's like they all have beards or something. It's hilarious. So I'm gonna cut her stomach. Yes, just gonna cut here. You are very hairy. Did you know that? Did you know that, Lila? That you're a very hairy pig. Look at her. Okay, you can go back. Excuse me. Okay, now we're gonna do Blair Bear. I had to take breaks because, excuse me. It was just messing with my allergies pretty much. And yeah, it was so bad. It's not that bad as the Timothy hay, but because I thank God I'm not using Blair. There's not really much to do with her though. She did pretty well. Yes, Blair. Just like freaked out. Yes, that's your hair, Blair. Blair! Blair. Blair! 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 Okay, I'm gonna pick her up and then clip her stomach. She's done. Okay. Put your leg down, sweetie. Okay. Put your leg down. Put it down. Hold on.
Unhand me right now. Unhand me. Unhand me.
Stop it. I know. Stop. Sorry, guys. I'll be back. I think she's done for the most part. That is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to comment and tell me what you liked about the video, what you didn't like, or whatever the case is. You guys probably didn't like that I gave them bad haircuts, but what can you do? Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Bye.